This is an interactive bulletin board on the parts of a plant and animal cell. This is a plant cell, and this is an animal cell. At the bottom, you have definitions of each part of the cell, as you can see. And you also have terms, which are the names of each part of the cell that are important. When you label each part of the cell, the term will go at the top and the definition will go at the bottom. So now we'll do an example. This definition says, a spherical body containing many organelles controls many of functions of the cell and contains the DNA. So, with this definition, which part of the cell would this be? In this case, it would be the nucleus. So then we go to our terms and we find the nucleus. And we're going to find the line from each cell that is nucleus. So there's the nucleus in the animal and the nucleus on the plant. We put the term or the name at the top and the definition at the bottom. And as you can see, the lines, they line up with the definition and the term of each. Altogether, you have to label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts of both plant and animal cell. I have done the nucleus for you, so now you only have to do 5. Good luck!